Hey yo mga kamangjud, at pupunta kami sa may hot spring. Sa banda saan yun, kuya?
Bandang Los Baños.
Bandang Los Baños. At antayin nyo na lang mamaya.
Yeah. Look at all this shit I did, all this shit I done. How the fuck I'm still alive? Could've died by the gun, but now I'm on the rise. Mama proud of her son. Institution in my eyes. Niggas booked me for a month, but now I'm getting booked for these shows. It ain't worth the $4 nut. You get fucked from these hoes. PO on me, I'm too hot. It's type hard till they low. No weed for these bitches, just a roll. Niggas high if they think I ain't gon' blow. I don't listen to these niggas telling lies. Niggas tryna bring you down. They just snakes in the sky. Smile in your face, give you a 5. Niggas ain't feeling my pain. Got kicked out the crib, nigga, I slept in the train. No future in my range. How the fuck the priest stand still? Remember my name, asking me why I'm grimy, bitch. Get up on my face. Niggas think this shit a joke. I got homies that got locked. I got homies that got poked. Same niggas sending shots. Fucked around and they got smoked. Pray to God for some hope. All my brothers in a prison, they get free before I go. Ain't no love for no hope. Tell that bitch to keep her pants. I put my dick straight down her throat. Call a cab and send her home.
Take time when you talk, cause the lyrics is best. Rhythm my text, go deeper, I take shit in the depth. I'm still young to this shit, but you must give me respect. Breaking a sweat to see me how I keep it in check. I run laps on niggas, I don't clap for niggas. I make clap by niggas, be too much chat with niggas. That's just part of the game. When you live in the streets, hoolies running your crib, they need something to eat. Did you ever think that you would be this rich? Went from robbing niggas, jugging, hitting licks. I'm too equipped, twin turbo when we dip. We on the roads, niggas know we got the bricks. Can't keep up with me, cardio on 100. Freaking bitches off, get a cross, swim in her stomach. Serves up, little nigga, boss up, little nigga. Couple thousand on my kicks, floss up, little nigga. Kicking down doors, withdraw, put my gun in his face. Tell Curly snatch his girly while he open the safe. Off to the chase, I tell my driver circle the pace. And we got automatic weapons, if we front I'ma spray. All in the day, we finna make some G's off the shit. The D's on the shit, I'm finna breeze on the shit. I need the coke, I need the dope, I need the keys to the whip. If he don't answer as I'm speaking, then we leave with a shit. Straight to the strip, she making back the money you missed. You stole from me, double up, we gon' replace it with this. He tell me give me a week, I tell him give me some yay. He got some bricks by the bay, but don't keep shit where he stay. And I got nowhere to lay, so I can't wait no more. He tell me Brody, give me seconds, I can make one call. I gotta hold me up the road, then he could break something off. He whip it, he flip it, it's sold, I'm finna make some more. Go.
Picturean ko. Oh, di ba? Sarap. Masti. Oh, original na hot spring. At napakainit.
Pangit yung talaga yan, tao.
Hot spring, running water.
Pag ginano nga ito na yun, no? Pag nirenovate na eh. Maganda to eh, no?
Babad lang siya. Ito yung kalsada, ayan yung pool.
Oo, ang ganda.
Pauwi na nga ako kami. Na mga kamangjud. Ano po na paano? Oh!